Which of the following is the responsibility of the nurse to perform before rigor mortis occurs? A. Provide a complete bath. B. Changing body clothes. C. Allowing the body to relax normally. D. Placing one pillow under head and shoulders with supine position. And the right answer is D. Placing one pillow under head and shoulder with supine position. Rigor mortis is a after-death changes resulting in the stiffening of the body muscles due to the chemical changes in body muscles myofibrils. Reason for the administering fresh frozen plasma for a patient admitting after heavy bleeding to road traffic accident is A. To increase platelets count. B. To provide clotting factors. C. To increase hemoglobin. D. To increase hematocrit. And the right answer is B. To provide clotting factors. Fresh frozen plasma is used to manage and prevent the bleeding by coagulation factor replacement through it. Fresh frozen plasma contains all of the clotting factors, fibrinogens, plasma proteins, electrolytes and physiological anticoagulants. Recommended duration for completing suctioning for the tracheostomy tube is A. 5 to 10 seconds, B. 10 to 20 seconds, C. 20 to 30 seconds, D. 30 to 45 seconds. And the right answer is A. 5 to 10 seconds. The episode of suctioning should be completed within 5 to 10 seconds and the pressure settings for the tracheal suctioning should be 80 to 120 mm of Hg. Cardiac muscle is different from skeletal muscle by A. It is an involuntary muscle. B. It has automaticity. C. It has conductivity. D. All of the above. And the right answer is D. All of the above. Cardiac muscles different from the skeletal muscle in that it shows rhythmic contractions and it is not under voluntary control. The rhythmic contraction of cardiac muscles is regulated by sinoatrial node of the heart, which serves as the heart's pacemaker. Best method to make sure functionality of intercostal drainage tube is to observe for A. Continuous bleeding in water seal tube. B. Continuous bubbling from suction tube. C. Oscillation of water column in drain bottle. D. All of the above. And the right answer is C. Oscillation of water column in the drain tube. This is the device with hollow opening to the water filled chamber, keeping a trapped air pocket above the water column. Breathing waves force the column to act like piston moving up and down, forcing the air out of the chest. While measuring blood pressure from upper arm, Korotkov's sound is ausculted which blood vessels? A. Axillary artery. B. Brachial artery. C. Femoral artery. D. Ulnar artery. And the right answer is B. Brachial artery. Korotkov sounds are the sounds that medical personnel listen for when they are taking blood pressure using a non-invasive procedure. It is named after Nikolai Korotkov, a Russian physician, who discovered them in 1905. The purpose of humidifying oxygen during oxygen therapy is A. It is hot air and it may burn trachea. B. It is easily absorbed after humidifying. C. It cleans the pathogens after humidification. D. It is dry and it may thickens the mucus. And the right answer is D. It is dry and it may thickens the mucus. Which of the following is the highest priority nursing action for the newly admitted patient who is receiving blood transfusion? A. Instruct the patient to report any itching and shortness of breathing. B. Warm the blood to the room temperature before blood transfusion. C. Documentation of blood transfusion in the patient's chart. D. Check the vital signs every 30 minutes from initiation of blood transfusion till completion. And the right answer is A. Instruct the patient to report any itching and shortness of breathing.